if you imagine, as we've been talking about the leaky gut scenario, if you've got a healthy gut, the villi, they're coating the inside, and they're like these sort of hairs, if I'm not mistaken. And they allow the distribution of nutrients, or they absorb the nutrients out of the gut. But if we've been eating a diet that's sort of really harsh, we've been getting infections, we're not been getting peristalsis, this sort of starts to die off and becomes a little bit deforested. If you imagine it's like a little forest. And then that baldness on the inner of our digestive tube is essentially what like a leaky gut is. And then food particles or stuff from our diet starts to leak through that membrane, end up in the blood. Now our blood and our immune system's got all of this stuff to deal with, because we're not meant to be having food particles and stuff in the blood.
Yes, that's where the immune system starts to get activated.
Yeah, is because it's the immune system's basically trying to deal with the proteins that have ended up in the blood as undigested particles. So it's like a foreign body.
They mount like an immune response towards it. So they start to basically, the B cells, they tag it for destruction to get rid of it. If you're like susceptible to developing like an autoimmune condition, this is where like autoimmune can come into it as well. And then that's a whole other kettle of fish.